All right, guys, so we're going to talk about how to solve systems by substitution. Now, in general, the best time to use this is whenever you have a variable that's already solved, like it's already on its own. See how this x is equal to something? Over here, the y is equal to something. If you see either of those like states, this is a great thing to use because all you got to do is take whatever that thing is equal to and plug it in wherever you see it again. So since x is equal to y minus 3, I plug in y minus 3 for the x. And I end up with y minus 3 plus y equals 5. I can combine the y plus y, so I get 2y minus 3 equals 5. Add 3 to both sides. Hopefully y'all still remember how to solve equations, no problem. 2y equals 8. Divide by 2. Y equals 4. Now we just take that and plug it back into one of the previous formulas, right? Or previous equations. Not formula, it's an equation. So I would now have x equals 4 minus 3, which is 1. So my final answer is 1, 4. It's that easy. All I had to do was take that, plug it wherever I saw the x, solve a quick equation, slap it back in when I get numbers, and I'm done. Well, let's try that again. So now we got this bad boy over here. The first one's not solved for it, but the second one looks pretty solved, right? So let's go ahead and do that one. I can take y equals 1/2 x, and I'll plug it in for the y. So I'll get 3x plus 6 times 1/2 x equals 12. Notice how I put parentheses around that, because there was already something next to the y. If there's already something next to the y, you have to put parentheses around this to show that only the y got replaced. That 6 doesn't get replaced, only the y does, by whatever it was equal to. Now we can go ahead and do this. Well, what's 6 times 1/2? It's just 3. So we'll get 3x plus 3x equals 12. 6x equals 12. Divide by 6. X equals 2. We can take that. We're going to plug it into this one this time. And now we will end up with y equals 1/2 times 2, which is just 1. So my final answer is 1. Sorry, not 1. It would be 2, 1. And there you go. Solved by substitution. It really is exactly what it sounds like. You're substituting. You're taking something, plugging it in, replacing it, substituting it, solving with it, then substitute again, solve.